Hello soulmates, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're going to learn how to cut and sew this trendy boo dress in less than 10 minutes. And if it's something you like, please watch this video till the end. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more tutorial like this. Let's get started. Making this dress, I'll be making use of just these 3 yards of Ankara fabric. And you want to fold our fabric like this into two. Let the two hem of your fabric be folded like this by the side. Let it not be by the down but by the side, while the other two that doesn't have opening should be by the other side, and that will be for our front and our back. So I'm just trying to just properly place it, and the length of my fabric here, because I'm using all the 3 yards, is about 53.5. So if you have more than 3 yards you can use, but the length I'm using here is about 53.5. Next thing, at the upper side, which is our shoulder line, we are not making a line on this, so you're just going to measure directly. You want to measure the width of your neck of about 3 inches, and the shoulder I'm making use of is about 40, plus the shoulder and the sleeve, because it's a cut together shoulder and sleeve together. So my client's shoulder with the sleeve inclusive, the measurement I took is about 40 inches. That means 40 divided by 2 is about 20. So I marked 20 and I had about 1.5 inch for folding of the sleeve. So after doing that, you want to come down with 1 inch, and next you want to make a slant line meeting the neck width like this. After doing that, let us indicate our neck depending on how deep you want your v-neck to be. So for the front neckline, I'm marking 8.5, just as you see me doing like this. You can make yours as deep as you want, or you can make it higher. While for the back neckline, I'm coming down with 11 inches, just like this. The neck length is optional, but mine, I'm making use of front neckline 8.5, while the back neckline 11 inches. So you're just going to use your ruler to make a straight line like this. That's for the front, while the other line will be for the back. And that's basically all for the neck. And after you've done that, next thing, at the shoulder line there, you're going to mark your round sleeve measurement. My round sleeve is about 24, and after marking your round sleeve, you're going to add extra 1 inch. So 24 divided by 2 is about 12 inches, plus extra 1 inch is 13. So I mark out 13 inches, just like this. And next thing, we are going to determine where our pocket will be, because it's going to have a pocket. So at the upper line there, you're going to mark your half length. My half length is about 19, and after marking your half length, make sure you come down with 1 inch. So later I came down with 1 inch, and next in the length of our pocket will be about 7.5. So after doing that, I'm just trying to mark out make a straight line from the line that we took. So you're just going to make a straight line like this if you're not making use of all of your fabric. So after doing that connecting, you're going to come in by 1 inch, and next you're just going to make a curve just like this, and next you're just going to make a straight line. Just watch, just look at what I'm doing and follow suit. After doing that, you're going to first of all cut your front neckline like this first before cutting out the other borders. Do not cut your back neckline yet, just cut your front neckline before cutting other. So just look at what I'm doing and do the same. earlier, I had to come down with 1 inch from my waistline. Next thing, I came down with 7.5, and after you've done that, you're just going to notch for your pocket just like this. And after doing that, you're just going to take out one piece of your fabric away. Now let's cut for our back neckline, because the front neckline and the back neckline are not the same. So next thing is for us to just cut for our back neckline just like this. And that's basically all for cutting this. Next thing is for us to sew this piece together to create a beautiful gown. And after doing that, I've gone ahead to cut an ashoke for my front piece, because I want my front to have a design. But if you don't have ashoke, it doesn't mean, you can just cut your regular facing and just use it to turn the neck, just as you see me doing like this. And for the back, it doesn't have a design. I'm just making use of a regular lining to turn the back neckline just like this. And this is how it looks like after I've gone ahead to join my front piece and iron it out properly like this. And this is for the back. I've gone ahead to sew down the lining piece and iron it properly like this. So next thing, you're going to face the two fabric together, the two piece together, and join the shoulder just like this. So the front and the back, you join the shoulder like this, while for the other side you join the shoulder like this. And after doing that, this is how it looks after I've gone ahead to join the shoulder line like this. Next is for us to just sew about half of an inch all around for the sleeve just like this, just half of an inch, and sew it round. And after that, next thing is for us to cut our pockets. So I'm making use of this lining piece, so I'm cutting out our pocket like this. So just look at what I'm doing and cut yours just like this. And the length of our pocket there is about 10 inch, while the weight is about 8 inches. So I'm just trying to just open it up like this. And next thing, I'm just trying to just shape it out for all the four sides to be equal. So I'm just trimming it off and just giving it that pocket design. You can as well join it like this, the way it is in a box form like this, or you can also give it a design, a deep pocket design, just as you see me doing like this. Is optional. It's not compulsory you do the same way that I did. You can also fix it in a box method. So next thing is about 8 inches for the length, and the width is the same. And after you've basically cut out the pocket, you want to get your fabric and make sure you cut about 4 pieces of your lining piece for your pocket. So you want to place it like this, sew it down like this on the notch side of your fabric. So after you've done that, this is after I've gone ahead to join all the pockets together on each side. So next thing, you're going to flip your two piece over like this. So you're going to make sure that the down parts are aligned together. So next thing, we're going to join the two sides together. So you want to come in, you want to measure your round sleeve. Remember, we added extra 1 inch. So you're going to take out 1 inch and you're going to sew it round like this. So it's you're going towards your pocket, and when you get to the hem part, it's going to have opening at the down of about 14 inches. But if you don't want yours to have opening, there's no problem. But if you want yours to have opening, you can leave it about 14 or 13 inches. So I'm just trying to just repeat the same process at this side. So you're going to go in with 1 inch, you're going to sew it round like this, going towards the pocket, sewing it down. When you get to the down part, you're going to measure about 14 inches and you're going to stop there. And this is after joining the two piece and leaving the opening. So we are just going to sew it in with about half of an inch all around. We are going to repeat the same process for the other side just like this. And after doing that, you're just going to hem the down with about half of an inch also just like this. And after doing that, you're going to cut a tiny strip of about 7 inches long. So remember that our neck width is about 3 inches, and for the two sides to be about 6 inches. So once you cut like about 7 or 7.5 inch, so you're going to just fix it in like this. If you don't want yours to have the strip at the back, there is no problem, but if you want yours to have it, make sure you cut about 7 inches of tiny strip, and you're just going to fix it in, and you're going to go towards the sewing machine to just sew it down just like this. So I'm just trying to just pin it, and this is how it will look like. And this is the final result and the end of today's tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful and you've not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, you comment, and you like for more tutorial like this. And that's basically all for today, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.